Hi guys, welcome to IEI's YouTube channel. I'm Harvey, the product manager at IEI. Today, let's talk about IEI's new launch network appliance, PUZZLE-5030. PUZZLE-5030 is a 1U rack mount network appliance that's powered by Intel Xeon E processors. This device includes several features such as LAN bypass function, redundant power supply, and 2 expansion slots for network modules. These key benefits provide performance, reliability, and agility, and make the PUZZLE-5030 a great UCPE for enterprise-grade SD-WAN, also an ideal edge server for edge network. The PUZZLE-5030 offers business-ready reliability and trusted performance, thanks to in part its built-in Intel Xeon E processors. According to Intel Xeon E solutions are a great hardware option for servers and cloud-based applications. With Intel's in-house technology such as Intel SGX and Intel virtualization technology, Xeon E delivers enhanced security and faster performance. Speaking of the default I/O, the PUZZLE-5030 has 8 2.5 GB Ethernet ports, 2 expansion slots for IEI's PUM network modules, 2 PCIe expansion slots, and 2 power inlets. Bypass function is one of the most crucial parts at play in terms of the reliability. With this feature, even one of 2 LAN ports fails, the other one can continue to processing packets. Here's another plus, redundant power supply. The PUZZLE-5030 operates using 2 power supplies. Each of the 2 power supplies has the capacity to run the device on its own when the other one goes down. The PUZZLE-5030 also supports 2 expansion slots for IEI network modules to provide larger bandwidth, additional storage, or extra Wi-Fi or LTE. For businesses with multiple branches, office, or retail locations, the PUZZLE-5030 is definitely an excellent choice as UCPE to build SD-WAN network and provide an easier way to manage large-scale enterprise network. It also can be an edge server between end devices and data center to collect and process data, then generate real-time insights. In both use cases, the PUZZLE-5030 is able to play an important role in data-intensive business environment for less cost, better customer experience, and higher productivity. Okay, thank you for your watching, and see you next time.